Hallandale Beach, Florida. A woman finally catches a pirate who's been going through her car on several occasions.
Get the fuck away from my car. Now. If I call the police on you. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Sacramento, California.
What are you doing? Excuse me.
Excuse me.
What are you doing?
I'm coming in here to get my shoes.
No, you need to leave now before I
Yeah,
call the
no,
cops.
I'm just getting my shoes, man. Someone come down.
There's no shoes here.
Yeah, there is.
You're the weirdo sitting on my property.
A tornado touched down in Sarasota, Florida last week. Pembroke Park,
What's good,
Florida.
bro? Hey, I stay like a couple houses down. My shit like giving me a problem. I asked for a little spare sheet or something so the people come help me out with my car. A spare sheet. All right.
Very suspicious. A motorcycle hit and run is caught on a homeowner's Ring Doorbell camera. £40 of dog food falls out of the bag and the porch pirate runs off. In this clip from Akron, Ohio. A woman just misses a porch pirate in Dallas, Texas. Just as she drives off, the woman comes outside.
They just drove out.
I see.
What they do?
Nothing. It ain't nothing there.
Let me run the camera back.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.